Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable notifications in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the settings section, click on the notifications button. And as you can see, there are several topics and things that you can receive notifications on in terms of offers and updates and account as well. So for example, if you are not interested in receiving notifications regarding travel tips and offers, then just click on the edit button and you can disable email, push as well as SMS notifications. And you can of course turn them back anytime. So just click on this white circle next to those. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.